Hi everyone, I hope you've been all doing well. Today is the day. Today is the day. Are we all freaking out right now? I teased you on my Instagram that this happened about 14 days ago. So today I will be finally unboxing my new first baby Birkin. Please do not skip. I promise I will unbox it straight away and tell you the story, how I got it, why I chose this color. But before I unbox it, please comment down below. You already know it is a Birkin 25. That's been my dream size and bag for the longest time. But before I unbox it, please let me know your guesses in the comment section down below. I'm pretty sure you can guess the hardware as well, but let's see how many of you can guess the color. Oh my god. Alright, let's get straight into this unboxing. This is happening. This is happening on camera. I should have brought like a little table or something here. A little booklet. Here she is. Alright, box, little pillow, little raincoat. Alright. Sorry, this is not supposed to be a silent unboxing, but here she is. How many of you guessed the color? Here she is, my new baby Birkin 25 in Togo leather, a taupe color, contrasting stitching, yellow gold hardware. She is perfect. Let me remove the felt. I'm being extra careful. So yeah, this is my new baby Birkin in the most perfect color. I'm so happy I went for this color, guys. This is one of the Hermes classic colors. I believe there are only 3 classic colors that they repeat constantly: the black, gold and a taupe color. And all the other colors I believe are seasonal, but I'm not an expert in Hermes, so correct me if I'm wrong. So before I show you the little clochette and talk more about the bag, I actually wanted to let you guys know how I ended up getting the bag, if it was a store offer. This was actually my most asked question when I teased you on my Instagram. So I got this bag through SACLÄB. I have been following SACLÄB. They're a very young company. I believe they started about 2.5 years ago, so I have been following them for maybe about 2 years, a year and a half for sure, and I absolutely love what they do. I love their selection of bags online. I really wish I bought a bag through SACLÄB earlier, and I'm gonna explain why as well. So every week on a Friday, SACLÄB has these amazing Friday drops, and they share on Instagram as well what's coming. They do little teasers on their stories. There is also so much eye candy when you scroll through their page, so do check out their Instagram. But I wanted to also mention their website because they have a very unique feature that I have never ever seen before. You can reserve a bag. Yes, you heard me correct. You can reserve a bag. You don't need to buy it straight away. If you're unsure, if you don't want to make rushed decisions, you can reserve a bag, and then if you decide to buy it later, you can go ahead and purchase it. They authenticate each bag and sell pre-loved, vintage as well as brand new bags, and even some accessories like Hermes straps or Diors. They have so many rare and hard to find bags. Another amazing thing about SACLÄB is that they can take your wishes and let you know when they have the bag you want. You can see the request feature on their website, but just bear in mind it might take some time, but it's one of the services they offer as well. All items on the website are so nicely curated. They sell mainly Hermes, Chanel, my favorite, Chanel, Dior, Bottega Veneta. They honestly have the best selection I have seen. When it comes to Hermes, Chanel and all the other brands they sell, they have the best prices. And because they're based in Europe, It's in euros. They don't have any physical stores, but they have 2 offices in Munich and Amsterdam. I actually visited the Munich office and I have a vlog coming up. You guys will die when you see. They showed me some, oh my god, the Birkins they showed me. I've never seen these bags before and I was afraid to actually touch them. I was so scared because they were super special. I saw the Birkin Himalaya, this size, the 25. I touched it, I tried it on. You guys just wait for the vlog, it will be amazing. Oh, let's actually do the little clochette. Let me unbox it and show you. So here it is. Oh my god, it's so cute, but it's so heavy. So here it is. I love the look with the clochette on. I think it looks really cute with the little lock, but it's actually quite heavy, so I'm also afraid it might scratch the leather. So let me know if you wear your Birkins or Kellys with the clochette on and if you had any issues, if they scratched the leather. But I think I will probably put it on from time to time but not wear it constantly. Okay, so the reason I actually decided to go for the taupe color is because this is, to me, this is the most perfect neutral color from Hermes. Taupe is such a sophisticated color. It is a true chameleon because it could actually look quite different depending on how you style it. It could either look a bit more grayish or a bit warmer. If I have to be honest, I like the baby Birkins in any color. Like, give me any color and I would love it. It just looks so adorable in any color. But I do think the Birkins, because they're a bit more casual, they look really nice in more neutral colors, whereas the Kelly bags I prefer in a pop of color. Kelly's I find more sophisticated. It's a more refined, elegant bag. Personally, don't think it suits me as much as a Birkin. That's why if I ever decide to get a Kelly, it will be in a pop of color. So my top 3 colors were black. I really wanted a classic black with gold or rose gold hardware. Then my other top choice was this one. So the black and the taupe were my top favorite colors that I wanted to get first. Then the third one was gold. And then maybe the fourth was Etane, the grey one. They did have the gold on gold and I was so tempted to buy it, but I realized I don't actually wear brown. As much as I love it, I don't really reach for my brown. I already have a brown Chanel bag and I don't really wear it very often, which is so sad. I think brown looks a bit more casual, whereas this color could be very easily dressed up. It will look nice as an evening bag. The brown, to me personally, looks way too casual. To me, it is a casual everyday color. I actually have to admit, I already wore it. I wore it twice and I have a little clip for you that I want to insert here. Okay, so today I'm taking my baby out for the first time and I'm dying to remove the stickers, but I haven't filmed the unboxing yet. Guys, every sticker removal has to be documented, so I'm filming this. I know I'm crazy. All right, sticker number 1 coming off. Yay! Oh my god, this is so satisfying. I'm going to remove the rest. I cannot wait, so let's do that. It's coming off. The main one is coming off. Oh my god, my baby looks so much better without the plasticky stickers. I just love the look without the stickers. I never ever keep stickers on. They look so ugly. When you get a bag, just remove the stickers, enjoy the bag, don't worry about scratches. I know Hermes can actually replace the hardware later on. I don't know guys, unless you're planning to resell the bag, keep the stickers, but I just don't like the look. I don't like the look. Oh, I forgot the one on the lock. You're coming off as well. When I initially got the bag, I was actually so scared to touch it, and I've never ever liked the look of twillies on Birkins. I don't like the look. at all. I actually do have a twilly. I'm gonna wrap it quickly so you can see how it looks, but I really prefer the look without. I think I will probably end up wearing it without any twillies and just deal with the consequences later. If they wear out a lot or get really gross and dirty, I'm going to take it to Hermes so they can spa the bag and maybe replace the handles. By the way, do you guys know how much they charge to replace the handles? Let me know if you have ever had your Birkin or Kelly handles replaced by Hermes. I'm very curious to know how much they charge. By the way, I also remembered SACLAB offers a complimentary spa, but it is important to know the complimentary bag spa is more of a care treatment. They do condition the leather or they can polish the hardware. It's more like a pampering session for your bag. But I still think that's so cool that they offer that service. So I also wanted to show you my bag came with the receipt. I don't feel comfortable sharing how much I paid for the bag because it is a lot. But if you just go and Google the price, you can see how much these brand new go for. Or as I mentioned, SACLAB does have all the bags listed on the website, the sold ones as well. So if you're curious, you can always go and check. So this is the price of the bag. It was bought in Italy 2021 and the person paid 7,000 euros exactly. And this is just a little thank you card from the SACLAB team. So far I'm really pleased with my new baby B, and I'm so glad that I decided to get it from SACLAB. It was a far more enjoyable experience to buy it this way. You guys know I didn't really have luck at Hermes. I haven't told you the whole story, but I haven't really shopped from Hermes. I didn't have an SA for and a wish list for, I would say, probably 9 months now. I would say resale is great if there is, let's say, no boutique near you, if paying extra is not a problem for you, or if you just don't have the patience. I would say also maybe go resale if you are after a very specific color. I was so picky, I was so specific about the specs I wanted for my first bag. It is extremely hard to score one of the most desirable colors and sizes right now at Hermes because everyone wants a mini Hermes bag, either a Kelly or a Birkin or a mini Kelly. The waiting lists are really long. Also at one point I think I went a bit crazy reading, doing research about how to play the Hermes game, what to buy, and I've never really bought stuff just to score a bag. I've always bought things that I like. I watched so many videos and read so many blogs about how to score a Birkin, what to say when you go speak to an essay and stuff. It was such a waste of time because it may not work for you, right? It's different for everyone. At the end, I made the right decision to go through SACLAB. I'm so glad, and I cannot thank them enough for finding my dream bag. I hope this video was helpful. I wanted to unbox the bag, but I also wanted to let you know why I decided to buy it this way through SACLAB. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys!